Hey guys, Dak in here, Flip with Rick. I'm going to teach you guys today how to build rapport with your sellers. All right guys, so secret weapon I have with my age and my excitement for things is I have a really easy time building rapport with people. And I know for some people that are more introverted, like me, I was not a great rapport builder off the get-go. I actually struggled building rapport in the beginning, and I came up with some models that I saw online, read a lot of books, and I figured out getting rapport actually helps people bring down the prices on your properties and getting better deals. So I'm going to show you some tips and tricks today, actually how to build great rapport. So the first thing we can do simply is when you're talking to people, see if they want to talk about things they like. If you go in the property and you see things and you're like, hey, who's this picture of? You can talk about that for a while. A cool thing you can do actually is just talk about people's kids. People love to talk to their kids. The older they are, the more they love their kids. Now there's certain situations that obviously this isn't the case, but most of the time people just love their kids and they go crazy for them. So they could talk about it forever and they think you have a great connection and rapport there. Now, a great way I've actually found building rapport is actually using the Ford model. The Ford model is not the Ford Model T. It's actually a model for building great rapport and having great conversations with people on your appointments. Now, I don't know who made this. I think I saw this reading a book once, but I'll just break it down. So F is for family. Talk about the person's family. What are their family values? What are their family ancestry? If that's something you maybe can bring up, if they have Irish flags or something like that. Talk about their kids, their grandkids. Talk about their parents. Just talk about their family. Find pictures around the wall and talk about that. It's a great way of building great rapport. Now we go to the O. The O is for occupation. Talk about, this can tie back to the F, which is for family. So occupation, just talk about, hey, what do you do for a living? Talk about that. What do your kids do for a living? What does your parents do for a living? What occupation, if you sell this properly, will you quit your job and do another job? I mean, what is this? Oh, blah, 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 blah. Just talk about occupation. Now, this comes back to the R. The R is for recreation. Recreation, you can talk about things like, what do you do for fun? Maybe see fishing poles around the property and you can talk about that. Things like that you can actually do recreation-wise. What do your kids do for fun? What do your grandkids do for fun? Things like that can actually help you build a great rapport. Now this brings us to the FOR, we're at 4. Let's go to the D, forward. That is dreams. Now dreams is a great way to build rapport and really build a connection with the seller, because with the D on it, you can actually talk about their dreams. And a lot of their dreams has to go with you actually providing a solution for buying their property for all cash. Now this is really cool because when we're buying it all cash and we have the dreams for them, they can open up more and we can build that rapport and get a better price with the seller. Now, you might say this like, I get it, I can conceptualize it, but when I actually go to talk to sellers in person, I panic, I freak out, I do this. The only thing I can tell you is practice makes perfect. Practice in front of a mirror. Practice in front of a camera. Try your best here to really build a great rapport with your sellers and just try to build rapport with other people. So if you should not be practicing rapport with your sellers, you should be practicing with people around. So if I go to the gym and working out, and I really want to start building my rapport skills when starting out, I actually did this. I actually went up to older people my age, and people that are a little older and younger than me, and I tried having conversations with them, just saying something as a joke. It's kind of weird coming off of that, but it's like, hey, I really like your shoes. I mean, where did you get them from? Things like that, just, pushing yourself if you're an introverted person, and you can talk to them, have a conversation, build a connection. Things like that can really help you get a great deal in real estate investing. So talking to people randomly, like in the mall, go to the mall and just try to have a conversation with people. Be nice, be genuine, look them in their eye and really care about them and try to understand them better. If you do this with your sellers, it's going to make a huge difference when it comes to getting great deals and being the best real estate investor possible. So this is Zach and Flip with Rick signing out. Just a quick tip I can give you in the end here is we've started posting the Flip with Rick's The Bags to Riches podcast hosted by me. I'm breaking down some of the best real estate minds and most influential minds in real estate investing. And I think you guys should really, check it out and give it a shout. I'm actually interviewing millionaires and people like that are making so much money in real estate investing. I have some recorded podcasts now that are scheduled to release. And I'm telling you, every single one of these guys has made it from the dirt. They had no money at all. And guess what they did? They shared with me how they actually made money in real estate investing and done that. So if you really want to hear success stories and ways that you can actually get help in real estate investing, check out the Bags to Riches podcast posted in this channel. It's actually going to be the end here, so check it out.